What's up, guys? My name is Okonkwo. I'm a 20-year entrepreneur that lives in Lagos, Nigeria. On this channel, I talk about business, finance, investments, and sometimes politics here in Nigeria. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification button so you won't miss out any of my videos. And also leave a like button for the YouTube algorithm. So last week, a company that was founded in Silicon Valley but currently operates in Dubai reached out to me that I should check out their new app called Rentbook. And this company is supported by very big investors like Peter Thiel from big companies like PayPal. Tender, which is the company that is behind Rentbook, is currently being sold for about $50,000. And they came out with a simplified version of their app called Rentbook. And this app helps you manage your assets and your properties, rental assets and properties, in such a way that they will give you free, unlimited text messages. Like they help you remind your customers and your clients that for, let's say, for their payments. It even helps you share your assets and properties to other social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, so conveniently. And this app called Rentbook is available for free on the Play Store and App Store. And you can also access their app from their website called rentbook.com, which I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Tendad has won multiple awards, such as the top 10 most innovative companies in the Middle East, and they're currently launching their operation here in Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing their app, and I'll show you how easy it is to use and how easy to make the life of small businesses that manage properties or rental assets. Rentbook is more like a Shopify for smaller businesses that deal with that have assets for rent. So it basically helps you manage your whole assets. It's more like it's an automated version of you managing your app or something like that. So I'll jump into my phone now and show you how everything works. So I'm going to show you how to use the app on your phone. So when you go to your app store, you can go to your app store. It's available in App Store and Play Store too. You go and search for the name of the app, Rentbook, and you open it, then you click install. I've already installed it, so I don't have to do that. So if you check their dashboard on the App Store, you can read about what the app is about and see manage your equipment or asset list, share your equipment or asset list with potential customers. Basically, it helps manage your assets and your rental business. Basically, you can see the preview of whatever they're into. So I'll now open the app. I'll show you. So once you open the app for the first time, you have to log in. You put your number and they'll send you an OTP that you verify, then you get into the app. So once you're in the app, in the first dashboard that you see rentals, you see revenue, cost, profit. Basically, once you add an asset and you want to rent it out, you put the amount that you want to rent it out for. Then whenever a customer agrees on that listing, you now click that it's being rented out. The amount that you put on the app is going to show on the revenue listing. Then let's say there's an expense on the app or on the asset, you can now include it on the cost. So it's going to minus the cost from the revenue and you can see the profit. So you can even download the PDF file of everything of your, more like your financial statement or something like that. So I'm going to show you now how you can add an asset to the app. You go to the asset column. You see I've already added an asset. So but it's very simple. You come to add asset, you type the name of the asset you want to add, the identifier, anything. You can now type description. Then you now come to upload image, then you can now choose from where you want to upload, either gallery or take pictures. But I've already added an asset, so I want to show you how everything works. So this is the asset I've added, House Lekki. So you can see if there is a new rental on this, I can come and click it and say new rental. Then from here I can now choose the customer that wants to rent it. So let's say I choose customer, create new entry. Then let's say I want to put I already have the customer's number that I want to put. So let's say this, put Harry, save. Okay, I should add phone number prefix 234, but I'm going to blur my number out for privacy reasons. Then save it. Once it's saved, then I can now come here and put the start date of when the lease is going to start. Let's say I want it to start maybe 10th or 11th of October 2020. Then I'll now put the type of rate that I want. Do I want it to be a monthly payment or I want it to be a one-time payment? Let's just say I'm renting it as one-time payment. Then I'll now put the rate. I want to rent it out at, let's say for example, 35,000 naira. So now I can now add whatever remarks I want to add, then save. So it's processing. So once it's saved, now if you now scroll down, you will see house located 5,000, more like it's being rented out already. Then if you come here, you can see the revenue as it reports here automatically. You can see the revenue as it reports automatically. And let's say there's an expenses on this particular property. I can click new expense. Who do you owe? Let's say it's that same person on this, particularly an expenses. And I can now put one time. I now put how much the expenses. Let's say it's an expense of 12,000 naira. Then I now save it. Then you see that once it's saved, it will show red as an expense there. Then you can now come here. You can see the cost has been 12. So the profit is now 23,000. So it calculates it automatically and manages it automatically. So once this new rental reports is added, when there's a new person that is renting it, it will send them automatically a text once it's time that is due for them to pay. It will send them a text that they should pay certain amount or they are owing certain amount. So it does that, send them an SMS for free. So it will send them that SMS for free for them to remind them to pay, or let's say for them to remind them that it's a particular thing that they have to pay for. And same on this app too. You can come here and share your assets. Let's say you have someone on your social media that is asking about your property or something that you want to rent out. You can click on this icon here to share. You can see, you can easily share it to your WhatsApp contact, your Facebook, email, SMS, copy link. As you even copy the link, it will redirect to this page. So you can come here and add customers or add people. Let's say you met a customer somewhere, you want to add person's number. You can come to settings, you can change the currency to whatever currency you want to put. So basically, if you come to expenses, so basically that's how you use the app. And I feel it's a very, very good app because it just brings everything into one place, especially for people that are into like all these rentals, like all these real estate guys or guys that rent out machineries. You can rent out cars, you can rent out properties, you can rent out all these heavy machineries, and you can manage them properly from this app. So this is an app that I recommend very well for people that are in those fields. The parts that I blurred out are like my personal information. So you can see here, you can delete the asset if you don't want that again. So to automatically send an SMS to the person that to remind them that they've not paid for a particular thing once it's due, or to remind them that it's a particular asset that they want to see or something. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think this is a very good app? But I personally feel it's good for people that are into rental business, and I'll recommend it to a lot of people that are into rental business. So thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out the app on the Play Store. The app is available on Play Store and it's available on App Store. All the links are in the description below. So if you're watching this, go download this app and show some love. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and see you in my next video. Peace.